Kenny Kunene, Deputy President of the Patriotic Alliance and MMC for Roads and Transport in the city of Johannesburg, has accused Helen Zille of misleading the public after she posted a viral video of herself swimming in what she described as a pothole in northern Johannesburg. Zille sparked widespread reaction earlier this week when she appeared in swimming gear performing a backstroke in a water-filled cavity, claiming it highlighted the city's deteriorating roads conditions. However, Kenny Kunene has strongly disputed the claim, insisting the site in question was not a pothole but a trench excavated by Johannesburg Water during repairs to a burst pipe, and said this is not a pothole, it is a reinstatement site. Johannesburg Water opened that hole to fix infrastructure, and the water collected there as part of that process. He accused Zille of exploiting the situation for political mileage ahead of elections, suggesting she failed to properly understand the context before making public claims, and said the election season makes politicians desperate. She came to Johannesburg targeting me and the roads agency, and anything she sees, she assumes it's pothole. Kunene clarified that his department, alongside the Johannesburg Roads Agency, only steps in to restore road surfaces once utility work had been completed, and said we reinstate infrastructure after entities like Johannesburg Water have finished their repairs. That is the proper process. In a scathing critique, Kunene also took aim at Zille's action, calling the stunt unhygienic and unnecessary, and accusing her of embarrassing herself. Johannesburg Mayor Dada Morero echoed similar concerns, warning that such actions could send a dangerous message to residents, particularly children, and said we are encouraging unsafe behavior. We have seen tragic incidents where children drowned in open infrastructure sites or burst pipe areas. The exchange highlights growing political tensions over service delivery in Johannesburg, with infrastructure failures increasingly becoming a focal point in public debate as election campaigning intensifies.
So it's unfortunate that an old lady like that can behave like a frog, swim in dirty waters, behave like a pig, rolling in muddy waters. So, and unfortunately, I can't swim with pigs in the mud. You know, I'm very clean, but I get my hands dirty in the right way, not in the way to be sensational. So I think Gogo Zille has made a fool of herself, calling a reinstatement a pothole. But
what's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.